We the Bisnath Upajila UK team launching our official kit today for the upcoming tournament on the 24th of August, organized by Sylheti. We would like to invite everybody to come and support Bisnath on the day. Bisnath will be competing in this tournament for the 7th time. We are the current champion. We've been winning the cup for the 4 times in a row. We all know, the Bisnath team knows that the competition is going to be very high.
First of all, we'd like to say thank you to Gram Bangla for sponsoring us again. This is the 5th time they sponsored us. Thank you to Guljabai and his whole team. Everyone involved with Gram Bangla and Masala. Thank you for their hospitality. Thank you for all that they do for us. So we couldn't do these things without them. So we're here again today at Masala celebrating this. Also, we'd like to invite all the fans, all the Bishnati fans to come down on the 24th and come and support your team. And this year we have kits available to buy. So you can come fully kitted out.
Thank you. Welcome again to 2025 Upazila Cup. As always, Gram Bangla by our side, not just sponsoring, but with emotions and support and everything. Alhamdulillah, it's been great. So I'm not going to say much, as 5 years we've been winning.
Alhamdulillah, this is the 5th year Gram Bangla is sponsoring the BSA football team. And it's been a fruitful and successful 4 years. And inshallah, we're hoping this year will be even more successful. I can see new talents. And I have to applaud and thank Anfarbai, Koisbai, Khalis, Yaqub, and rest of the team for working effortlessly behind the scene. So thank you to everyone, and inshallah we are the proud sponsors and will be in the future as well.
গ্রাম বাংলার পক্ষ থেকে এত সুন্দর একটা প্ল্যাটফর্ম আমরা আপনারা স্পন্সর করার লাগি আমরা সেলফে গ্রাম বাংলার টিম থেকে আমরা প্রাউড ফিল করতাম যে আপনারা আমরা স্পন্সর করতাম পারছি।
I'm Khalis, Bisnath Upazila team manager. I've been managing the team from 2018. And we won this tournament from 2019. This is going to be we won 4 in a row. This is going to be our 5th year. So I want to say thank you to all the people that's come to our kit launch today. We're really happy to see everyone. And what we expect and hoping from all our fans and supporters is to come down on the 24th of August in Sylheti Sports Hub, which is in Dagenham. Same location as the Open Age tournament. Come and support your team. Come and help us win it for the 5th year running.